As your programming ability improves and you start writing longer and more complex programs, another function you'll want is the ability to search for character combinations to replace them with other character combinations. EasyEdit's search and replace function is activated with function key 10, followed by the letter T for translate. See the word move near the bottom of the screen? Let's change it to something else. EasyEdit wants our search pattern. That's what we're looking for. We'll be looking for the word move. Now it says, what do you want to replace it with? Let's key in M-O-O-V. It's a little silly, but at least it'll demonstrate what we're doing. When I press field release, EasyEdit takes me to the first occurrence of the word M-O-V-E, move. I have several choices here as shown at the top of the screen. L for local means only replace this particular occurrence of the word move. If I don't want to replace this occurrence, I can press any other key to skip the replacement. I'll press the space bar and EasyEdit jumps to the next occurrence of the search for character combination. On this one, I'll press L and it changes it to M-O-O-V. After I've done this a few times, I'm going to choose G for global. And EasyEdit whips through the file, replacing all the old text with the new without bothering to ask me each time. When it's through, it stops with the cursor at the last change it made. Now, I always use local for a few times before I do a global replace to make sure I haven't done anything stupid. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to do another translation. This time I'll replace M-O-O-V with M-M-O-O-V. Let's do function key 10, T for translate, put in M-O-O-V, and replace it with M-M-O-O-V. Here's my first one. I press L, but look where the cursor stopped. It looks like it stopped at the same place. After it did the insert of the M-M-O-O-V, the next occurrence of M-O-O-V is still what we get in the replace. If I continue, all I'm doing is adding M's to the beginning of the word move. I certainly want to get out of this, and I don't want to do a global replace. It won't end, and I'll have to reboot my machine or abort out of Unibase. So we goofed, but we can recover with F10X. Function key 10, followed by the letter X, and the translate feature stops. Let's get rid of all these M's. And let's do one more replacement, changing our occurrence of M-O-O-V back to move. F10, T, M-O-O-V, and replace it with M-O-V-E. Okay, as I said before, let's do a couple of locals. We seem to be okay. Now we'll choose the global. Okay, we changed our minds. Good. Now let's exit this program. We press function key 10 and then the letter X. And EasyEdit, like Big Brother, is watching us. It says we've got an unwritten buffer. That's where it's been storing all these changes we've been making. And EasyEdit gives us a choice of saving or losing all these changes. Since we want to retain the original program, let's enter Y, press field release, and EasyEdit returns to the File Edit menu without saving our changes. That's about it for EasyEdit, except for one advanced feature which we'll cover in the next lesson. I left it as a separate lesson so you can always review it when you need it.